Hello, in this video we'll look at how to generate a bill in your system. But before that we need to ensure certain things are in place. To start with, you need to go on customer first and click on search unit. So under search unit you need to select the unit we are generating the bill for, and once we select that unit you can view the details, and under meter details first of all over here you need to go on edit and ensure that the grid demand load and DG demand load is filled in. So you can put it as anything that is subscribed to you, and once you put that you can update in the system. Similarly, under unit details, you will be able to see under edit that the first bill date needs to be filled in. So the first bill date as written over here is the start of the billing cycle, the date your bill will start getting generated. So our first bill date as we have put in can be this one, and you need to update it. So once these things are put in, next you go on bill, and under bill you need to select billing cycle. We need to add a new billing cycle for the month that we're creating the bill for. So if it's May 2025, I will go on add bill over here and create a billing cycle for May 2025. And in under this, we'll select the bill plan. Since we are generating an electricity bill in this case for the meter, then we'll select electricity bill. The billing month will be May 2025 or any billing month that you're looking for. Display name is the billing cycle, how it should be displayed. So we can just put it as electricity May. Start date, but obvious, will be the 1st of May, but it can be anything you want, and end date will be the last date. And bill date is the same date where your bill will get generated, and bill due date is the date before which the customer needs to pay the bill. So it is anything prescribed to your standards, and everything else remains the same. You need to save this cycle. Once you save this cycle, you can see that this is now in green, active. And once this is set, you can now move on to generating the bill. So for generating the bill, we'll go over here. Since we are generating an electricity bill, you select electricity. You need to first ensure that the unit that you are generating the bill for is mapped under this cycle. So under units mapped, you click on it and ensure that the unit, in this case, is MG5F7. As I can see over here, it's in green, so it's already mapped to the system. If it's not, you can just select the green button like this, or you can check all or uncheck all. So for now, we'll just map our unit MG5F7 to electricity bill. After this, you can directly go on billing cycle, and you need to select the billing cycle for the month of May. It's active, the system is telling us. You need to select your cluster, your tower if any, your unit. So under unit, we'll again put our unit number, which is MG5F7. Any remarks that you want, you can put that over here. And after we put this details, we are good to go. But just before that, we will preview the bill. So once I click on preview, I'll be able to see that this is the format of the bill, how it gets generated. The dates are over here, and you will be able to see everything as it is getting generated over here. And once this is done, we go back and we can click on generate to generate the bill. Once we confirm, the system will generate the bill. And this was all on how you can generate a bill. Thank you.